In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to trade gold inside of cTrader. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up cTrader on your favorite browser or your program that you have downloaded previously inside of your PC. From here, it should bring something like this. And now from here, you'll need to go up to New Order once you have logged into your account. And then from here, you'll need to go down to the XAUUSD or wherever it stands. Then go down to Popular Markets and click XAUUSD. You can also Google it up here, like so. And then from here, you can choose it right here. From here, you can add a quantity, you can add the lot size, the market range, how many pips you want to buy, you can add a stop loss, take profit, and from here, you can also add a comments to your journal. And then from here, you can place order. As you can see, currently the market is closed because I'm doing it a weekend, but if you do it on weekdays, you can place order. Once you've done that, it should look something like this. Down here in orders should be updated with your symbol appearing. And from here, once it's filled, you'll need to go over to positions, and here you'll be able to sell the gold again if you want to do that. But that's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!